go.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Wayne Kirby. I'm gonna tell my story about Pearl Harbor is burning. There's a boy named Frank. He's climbing a hill, and there's following him. Frank want to look back, but he said,